everyone, so here's the walkthrough, the environmental, acidic, and basic conditions paper. First time we get to do team paper, so you'll see you have learning team A, B, and C. It should just open up to your learning team and it will say something, you know, like, hey, discuss it all down here, and it needs to be done by the end of Monday. So you should have a full day. And then you have the rubric over here. So you're going to be preparing at least a 700-word paper in which you analyze the acidic and basic conditions that affect living organisms. Include, describe how the burning of fossil fuels leads to acid precipitation. Heather can talk. I've been doing several videos. Explain how increasing amounts of carbon dioxide dissolving in the ocean leads to ocean acidification. Describe how ocean acidification changes the pH and affects the carbonate ion concentration and rate of calcification. Include the pertinent chemical reactions for conditions discussed. Describe possible mitigating solutions for these situations. And then if you want to talk about something else, let me know. I recommend you talk about this. Make sure you follow 300 level APA and it needs to be submitted as a Word document. Let me go open up that rubric. Okay, so here's the rubric. It's going to be half a point for describing the burning of fossil fuels, half a point to explain, a point for the pH changes, half a point for the chemical reactions, and a point and a half for possible mitigating solutions. So from a teacher point of view, that means we know this is probably going to be a little short section just because it's your chemical reactions. So you're basically getting points to look it up. These two will probably be a little tiny. This one should be longer, and most of yours is going to probably be in this last section. And then you're going to do the grammar workout. Make sure you have a thesis. I will be very grumpy if there's no thesis. And make sure it is not like in this paper we talk about. The best thing to do is you're going to talk about how fossil fuel burning leads to acid precipitation and ocean acidification with the possible solutions of whatever. So mine might be the burning of fossil fuels leads to acid precipitation, which results in acidification. Luckily, so there are possible mitigating solutions such as blah blah blah. So try to make it one sentence. Got it? One sentence. And make sure you have APA citations. If there's no reference, it will be a big fat 0 for the entire paper for everyone. You do not want to do that. Do not do that. Okay. Otherwise, I would probably divide each part up to one person. I might put the chemical reactions with another one, or how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 parts. So I might give the chemical reactions to whoever's going to be the editor because it will be a little lighter since you're looking for those conditions discussed. But they're going to kind of have to talk together. These two guys, you all have to talk together. Make sure your end result, it looks like it's written by one hand. All that team stuff, talk together. Be friendly. We like each other. Give yourself time to figure it out. Don't start at like 10 o'clock on Monday. Please start working on it before. Maybe take off Sunday to do your labs. Finish those up, which hopefully start before too. And then on Monday, just have everything together, tweak it so it's good and pretty, right? Again, I love to review a draft. I don't know if this is going to be really possible for your learning activity because my deadline is the due date at noon, but hopefully you can figure it out. I hope this helps. Relax, have fun. This sounds like a dry topic, but it's really interesting. So I hope you find it interesting as well.